It's da 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 ba 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 da 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 ba 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 ba. Hi everyone, today we have a user request for a song called Greet Us Beautiful Finland. Looks like a Russian song, at least the writing is in Cyrillic letters. I'm gonna do this one by ear. I've listened to the song. I haven't put on the accordion yet. Let's figure it out together. So my methodology, I'll try and speak through it and explain what's going on through my head. I'm gonna listen to a little bit, pause it, and try and play it back. This is a parroting, like a parrot, a playback exercise. So let's have a listen. Da 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 da. Right, I'm trying to sing back what he's singing. Ba 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 ba. Right, that sounds right. Let's rewind and play that back. Ba 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 ba. Ba, right? That's my F. What has F? I hope it's an F minor. No. Unfortunately, the song is in B flat minor. So at first I tried to find F. Da da da. What chord does the F belong to? The F can be, first of all, is it a major or a minor? Ba 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 sounds like a minor. Is it an F minor? No. Is it an D minor? No. Is it a B flat minor? Yeah, there's that sadness of that song, right? So I'm gonna play a B flat minor on my left hand too. That sounded like what he was singing. How did I figure out that melody? My fingers are resting on that B flat minor. We know how to build a chord. Look at my videos or go to accordionlove.com. B flat minor is the B flat, C sharp, and the F. So I'm trying to play around those keys. Right? Just those keys. Here's my B flat minor, and the melody almost always revolves around the chord. Let's listen to that. So I'm trying to figure out right now, what's my entry point? If I understand the chord, I'll play the chord. If I understand the melody, I'll try and follow the melody. Now that I know the first chord and the melody, let's see where this goes. I'm gonna rewind to the beginning to make sure I'm playing it correctly. So it's wrong. Da da da. Maybe? I think he's playing a button accordion, so it might be slightly different, but let's play. Da da da. Maybe goes down to the A flat. This is a hard key to play in. Ba ba ba. He finishes on a major. Da 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 da. So eventually, at 11 seconds, he winds up on the C sharp major, right? Da da da. How do we get from the B flat minor? Da 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 da. That's likely what's gonna happen. C sharp is 3 more. Is that true? 3 more than the B flat. Do, re, mi, but this is B flat, C, C sharp. At the end of this, we'll transpose the song down to A minor, so that the difference between B flat minor and C sharp is the same as A to a C. So if we were to transpose the song to a C minor and to an A minor, which would make a bit more sense, it would be, right? A minor to C major is the same movement that's happening, that +3, as our B flat minor to our C sharp major. This goes back to that lesson about transposing, why it's effective to play in lots of keys. Let's go back to figuring the song out. Something like that. Right, da 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 ba ba ba. I'm just doing little bits that I could sing back and trying to play them. Let's play that. Let's say that those are the first 3 chords in the melody, right? So we're in B flat minor, da 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 ba 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 ba. Let's walk down 1 to the A flat, right? And resolve on that C sharp major. I think those are the first 3 lines of the song. It takes a bit of time, right? You see, I'm 13 minutes in and we're only 2 lines in, but I think we're figuring it out. Let's keep going. Da 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 da, that sounds like going to the minor 4. That's we were in F sharp minor. We're walking there to the E flat minor. That's just what happens. I have lessons about typical song patterns. What we like to do is from the 1, from our B flat minor, songs are likely to go to the minor 4 or the major 5, and this happens to go to the minor 4. Right? Da 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 da. It's hitting the F there, which is the 5 that I spoke about earlier. Da 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 da. Ba, ba, ba. Right? Da da da. That's the chords that it's hitting right now. Instead of trying to go line by line of the melody, I'm just trying to hit the chords to understand the structure of the song. What are the chords, the backing chords? If you know the backing chords and you speak this language, then you could sing it. Da 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 ba 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 da 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 ba 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 ba. Right? Same thing. Just trying to see if there's another part. So let's assume that the song continues over and over again, right? It did the same thing again after we finished. Da 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 da. That's to the person that I guess that asked the question. Sorry, I don't remember your username. This is the way that I would learn a song, by ear, listening to this, you'll have an easier time because you know the song from your childhood. This way you'll remember the song forever, rather than learning it off of sheet music where you're trying to figure out, is it or you'll know what the melody is based on the chords and the musical principles that dictate which chord comes next. You're not going to go from the 1 to the minor 6. You might, because you know that likely what's going to happen is you're going to go from the 5 to the 1, from the F to the B minor. A little addendum. I wouldn't play the song in B flat minor because it's not an easy key to play in. There are lots of flats and sharps, lots of black keys and white keys. I would transpose the song down. Here's what it looks like then. Instead of here, we're just going to bring it down to A minor. So I'll tell you the chords. A minor, and then walk down to the G. To C. To the D minor, plus 2. I think he's doing a D minor G C. D minor E major A. Tag again the D minor G C. You see that it opens up a lot more opportunities because I'm more familiar with those chords, the C minor, the A minor, D minor, G, C. Those are kind of the first chords that we learn. So instead of playing up here, the B flat minor to the C sharp major, no, that was the same structure of the song. We were just able to move it to a different part of the keyboard where it makes sense. Let me know if this helps. I don't know if I'm going to transpose, if I'm going to do a transcription and a lesson for the song right now. This is more of a video to show you what it's like to figure out a song by ear and the process that I go through. Not a skill for the beginner player, but something that you could work towards with ear training exercises, understanding how songs are structured, starting off with easy songs like Mary Had a Little Lamb, and understanding what a 1-4-5 looks like. Let me know if you have any questions. Like, subscribe, check out accordionlove.com for more songs and exercises. Thank you. Da 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 ba 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 ba.